Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 20 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and here let's scroll down to find App Management. Let's enter. As you can see in the permissions, we've got Special App Access, and let's tap on it. And we are looking for the option which is called Install Unknown Apps, and as you can see, it is at the very top. So let's enter. Here we've got the apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. Of course, you can change it. All you have to do is to simply tap on particular app and tap on the switcher. Now let's go back, and as you can see, from now on the Chrome is allowed to install some content. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so remember about that and really be careful with granting the permissions. Of course, as I said, it will work the same with all other apps. Just tap on it and tap on the switcher, and it will work also the same if you want to remove previously granted permissions. So if you want to turn off the Chrome, for example, just tap on it and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. So basically that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your INFINIX Hot 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.